Let's look at this algebraic expression and factorize it. We have 3x plus 4 plus 5x minus 2x. Now, in factorizing this algebra, you look at the like terms. These terms, 3x, 5x, and 2x, they are like terms because they have the same variable x. So we have to bring them together. We have to find out what 3x plus 5x. So 3x plus 5x will give me what? 8x minus 2x. That will give me what? 6x. And when I write my 6x minus 6x plus 4. See the 4. 6x plus 4 plus 4. So the final answer is 6x plus 4. Let's look at the next example. The next example, we have 4a plus 3b minus 2a plus 5b. Remember, we start with like terms. I see 4a and 2a. They are like terms. So 4a minus 2a will give me what? It will give me 4 minus 2 will give me 2. That's 2a. So we now come to this one. Plus 3b plus 5b. So 3b plus 5b will give me what? It will give me 8b. My answer becomes plus 8b. So our answer is 2a plus 8b. And remember, I can see I started arranging this in alphabetical order. I started with a before b, so that the answer will be in alphabetical order. Let's look at the next and solve the next example. Let's solve the next example. The next example, 2 brackets x plus 3 plus 4x. Now, whenever you have brackets, you open the bracket by multiplying whatever is in the bracket. So you're going to say 2 times x. 2 times x will give me what? It will give me 2x plus 2 times 3. That will be 6 plus 4x. So 2x plus 4x. Look at it. 2x plus 4x. That will be what? 8x. 8x plus 6. 5x minus 2x plus 3. Now, when you're multiplying a bracket, whatever that is outside the bracket to multiply. In this case, minus is what is outside. So what do? Minus times 2x. And whenever minus is multiplying a bracket, every sign inside the bracket will change. That is the rule. So first of all, let us bring down our 5x. This is the 5x. Minus times 2x will give us the minus 2x plus minus times plus 3. This minus will change the plus here. So minus 3. So 5x minus 2x will give me what? 3x. I'll write 3x minus 3. So our final answer is this, 3x minus 3. Kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video.